Alright, and we're back. So I just went to the auto parts store and I picked up a few things we need for this project, so I'll show you what I got. I ended up getting some Duplicolor Toyota black. So I guess it's just supposed to replicate this color. It's just a plain gloss black, no flakes or anything. And then I got some Duplicolor clear coat. So, because I want to clear coat this, I want to do my best to prevent rock chips. It'll probably get really messed up, but I'm gonna do my best to prevent rock chips from happening. And then I already have it up here, but I got some primer. So yeah. So I pretty much, since the last time I talked to you guys, I was using 80 grit on this sander, and then I switched to 120 grit. And then I went over the whole thing with 120 grit. So then I have some 800 grit sandpaper that I'm gonna use right now, which will be my final steps before we primer it. So I'm gonna get to work. Okay, that freaking old tape was a bitch to get off, but we got it off now, thankfully. So I think the next step, I'm just gonna wipe down the lip with a towel to get rid of the loose like debris and little sand and urethane pieces, so that way when I spray the primer on, it'll stick better. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay, this shit was not easy to paint. I've never really painted anything with polyurethane before, so it was like really hard to get an even coat. But this is what it looks like after about 4 or 5 coats of black. You can kind of tell how it's not like, I don't know. It looks kind of weird. Like it doesn't feel even. It doesn't feel like the paint's even. I haven't put the clear coat on it yet, so that could change it. But I don't know, I think I might, it almost seems like there's not enough paint on it, but there's definitely enough paint on it. It's just so weird. I don't know, but I guess I shouldn't care too much, because like it's gonna be like on the front lip of my car, and it's gonna be like on the ground. So, and it's probably just gonna get rock chips and all that stuff, so it's like, whatever, as long as it's better than the gray it was before. So I mean, I'm just gonna clear coat it and see what it looks like. Alright, so here's what it looks like after some clear coat put on it. It's honestly not super glossy. It's definitely nothing like the paint that's on the car. But I don't know, I guess it'll do for now. I'm not 100% satisfied with it. I thought it would be a little bit better, but I don't know. I had high expectations, but deep down I knew it would kind of look like that because that's just what happens when you use a rattle can and you suck at painting. But yep.
Are we recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
I'm sorry. That's the intro.
No. We gotta take the bumper off to make this a lot easier. But first things first, gotta peel off this double-sided tape I put on here. Sorry, I kind of put the camera down for a sec. It was kind of hectic with all the boys here, but honestly, this lip install is really easy. And you saw me do it, like just so nonchalantly, just 2 screws on the side on both sides and a little bit of tape here. Really easy if you take the bumper off, but I don't know, looks pretty cool. Honestly, it'd probably save you a lot of time if you just left it like the poly color, but I guess it doesn't hurt to paint it black. So overall, it's a pretty easy install. You can get a lip for pretty cheap online or from a friend or used somewhere, and definitely a nice addition to the car for what it costs. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions, and if you like the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe because we'll be getting wheels on the car next and much more to come. So as always, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.